Welcome to World Prism. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. A visitor from another star, the discovery of 3I Atlas. On July 1, 2025, astronomers using the Atlas survey in Chile spotted a faint, fast-moving smudge of light. Its path was a hyperbola, meaning it wasn't from our solar system, but a true interstellar traveler. This was only the third confirmed interstellar object, and it was named 3I Atlas. At first, it looked like a typical comet, a glowing coma, and a tail. But its trajectory was odd, retrograde, and close to the plane of our planets. Previous interstellar visitors, like Oumuamua and Borisov, had already challenged our understanding. 3I Atlas seemed to fit the comet mold, but soon, astronomers noticed strange behaviors. Its speed and path were unusual, sparking debate and curiosity. Was this just another cosmic snowball, or something more? The discovery forced scientists to question their assumptions about what drifts into our solar system. Each interstellar object is a rare chance to study the chemistry of distant worlds, but 3I Atlas, with its peculiarities, raised a bigger question. Could some cosmic visitors be artificial? The stage was set for a scientific drama, natural comet or something engineered. The mystery of 3I Atlas had just begun. To understand the debate over 3I Atlas, we need to look at our own interstellar artifact, Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 was built to explore the outer planets, but now it drifts through interstellar space. It carries a golden record, a greeting to any civilization that might find it. Voyager 1 is proof that technology can cross the gulf between stars. So when we see an object like 3I Atlas, the comparison is inevitable. If we can send a probe out, could another civilization do the same? The idea isn't far-fetched. Voyager 1 is our own message in a cosmic bottle. The two objects, Voyager and 3I Atlas, are separated by vast distances, but the analogy is powerful. Is 3I Atlas just a rock, or someone else's Voyager? This thought experiment expands our search for extraterrestrial intelligence beyond radio signals to physical artifacts. Our models are built on what we know: rocks, gas, and stars. But Voyager 1 reminds us that the universe could contain more than just natural debris. We have only one data point for interstellar technology, our own. That's why we must keep our minds open to the possibility that we're not the first to send a message in a bottle. 3I Atlas challenges us to look beyond the ordinary. Not everyone believed 3I Atlas was just a comet. Harvard's Avi Loeb argued it showed anomalies that defied natural explanation. Its retrograde orbit, close to the ecliptic, was statistically rare. The timing of its solar approach and planetary flybys seemed almost too convenient. Its trajectory traced back near the famous 1977 WOW signal. Observers saw a persistent plume pointing toward the sun, unlike any normal comet. Spectral analysis revealed industrial-like nickel-to-iron ratios, and very little water. Most striking, it accelerated near the sun without losing mass, as if propelled. Loeb suggested these clues pointed to controlled propulsion, not chaotic outgassing. To him, 3I Atlas looked less like a comet, and more like something engineered. Most scientists weren't convinced by the alien hypothesis. Occam's razor pointed to a natural, if unusual, interstellar comet. The James Webb Space Telescope's August 2025 observations were key. Webb found the coma was rich in carbon dioxide, not water. This explained the sunward jet and acceleration. CO2 sublimates at colder temperatures, driving activity far from the sun. Models showed CO2 jets could account for the observed motion without requiring the comet to lose much mass. The rare trajectory and odd chemistry might simply reflect the diversity of other star systems. We've only seen a handful of interstellar objects. Our sample is tiny. For most scientists, 3I Atlas was a weird comet, not evidence of aliens. But it was a unique chance to study the building blocks of distant worlds. The world's telescopes turned to 3I Atlas. Hubble captured its classic cometary coma and tracked its evolution. Webb's infrared eyes revealed the high CO2 content, shifting the debate from propulsion to outgassing. Mars orbiters tried to catch a close-up as 3I Atlas passed the red planet. ESA's orbiter managed a faint streak. NASA's HiRISE camera pushed its limits for a sharper image. These observations were challenging. Mars orbiters aren't designed for fast-moving targets in deep space. Still, each telescope added a piece to the puzzle. Hubble gave us scale, Webb gave us chemistry, and Mars offered a rare perspective. Together, they built a multi-layered portrait of this enigmatic visitor. The data pointed to a natural, but highly unusual, interstellar comet. The wait for images from the Mars flyby fueled speculation, but the delay wasn't a cover-up, it was science in action. When 3I Atlas was behind the Sun, it was invisible to Earth's telescopes. Data from Mars had to travel millions of miles, then be painstakingly processed. High-rise images required weeks of calibration to extract faint signals from noise. Mars orbiters weren't built for astrophysics. Capturing a fast, dim object was a technical feat. NASA's media event was scheduled to present a complete, vetted picture, not to hide information. The process was slow but necessary for accuracy. The real story was one of patience, not secrecy. Science demands careful validation, especially for extraordinary claims. The story of 3I Atlas is a lesson in balancing skepticism with wonder. Science demands evidence and simple explanations, but curiosity asks, what if? Avi Loeb urges us to consider that other civilizations could have sent probes long before us. Most scientists insist we exhaust natural explanations first. JWST's CO2 data fit the bill. For now, 3I Atlas is classified as a comet, expanding our knowledge of cosmic diversity. But its visit reminds us, the universe may be stranger than we can imagine. Science is a process, not a set of answers. We must hold two ideas at once, that 3I Atlas was almost certainly natural, and that it might have been something more. In that tension between skepticism and wonder, discovery thrives. Whether comet or craft, 3I Atlas sparked a vital conversation. The next great discovery may come from asking the questions it raised.